Hey there. My file is too big to upload to the um, iLearn site, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys via screencast of what I got going on over here. So we've all seen the intro here. I'll just skip through this. Let me adjust this real quick so you guys can see it nice and big. All right. So as you guys know, I'm only doing easy. Here's the main navigation page, and here I have my avatar, and it has dynamic text, the starting amount of money, but I don't have the code yet written for that. So basically what the player is going to do is they're going to come in here, they're going to buy their tickets. When they get to the hard level, it'll be 160, but ultimately hopefully you click this and then your dynamic text would change. Then the players will go into supplies, and they can kind of buy any one of these things. So when you click on it, you can see it kind of lights up. And finally, we have our market. And so we have our different stuff. The big point of this game is it's a learning game, but on this particular easy setting, it's going to be trying to avoid getting scurvy. So you need to buy vitamin C. And apples have really low vitamin C, while peppers have the highest, more than oranges. So tricky tricks right there. And then ultimately, when you buy your stuff, you should be able to click on your avatar here and kind of go to your like inbox or your backpack. And same kind of things. I just kind of use the same buttons, but what I want the code to do is have it be all these to be in place for it to be invisible, and then when you buy it, it'll appear or something like that. And then we'll start our journey. When you buy the ticket, click on your boat here. This is the route, the easy route that they took around the Cape Horn of South America. And ultimately what I want them to do is kind of go from like a step-by-step process, and I'll add more stars. But what they'll do is they'll get to this kind of fishing game here, and I'm thinking that like I'm either gonna do this like a game that's kind of like 4 pictures and a word, or I want to make it fun. I don't want it to just be multiple choice or something like Captivating. I want it to be something more kind of click and go, user friendly, and ultimately they're trying to earn. If they catch the fish, they earn money, and I want to make under the avatar here a kind of like a scurvy meter, so you can kind of see your level of scurviness, if we want to call it that. So that way they can, yeah, basically. So if it goes down to 0, then you die. And halfway through, either here or when you come back around, you can go to Panama. It's getting a little laggy on my computer here. Anyways, so here's our Panama thing, and then when you click here, it'll go to a fruit vendor, a Panamese fruit vendor. Right now I have the fruit vendor that'll go to the one back here, but I'm gonna change that and make one for the other one. But then ultimately, again, if you don't make it, then like your scurvy is going down gradually as you're going from spot to spot, challenge to challenge, and then if you die from scurvy, this is the screen you'll get. And finally, when you win, you'll end up in San Francisco, and this is what it kind of looks like. So you can see all the boats in the harbor, people are building the city, a lot of stuff going on in the background. So anyways, that's kind of what's going on. So I have a lot of the pieces kind of built out. Now I just got to put them together in a kind of game level way, and I just got to write the code that goes in there that correlates with all these. But anyways, thanks for watching. That's what I got.